All right, today I'm messing with this. Battery goes dead pretty quick. It seems to last for a couple weeks. So I'm gonna stick a new battery in it today. We'll see if we can listen to it. All right. Okay, I got the obnoxious, hard to get to screw out of there. And let's see. Let's try this. Then we'll flip the battery out of there. Check our connection, because that's where they rot out. Battery acid gets in there and ruins it. Right in there. So you can see that I've used some soldering paste, and I jumped the bridge between the trace and the battery pad to fix that. But it's leaving those old batteries in there that causes that. So a new battery does not seem to be fixing it. So I think it's that connection in between the battery pad and the trace that gets eaten away by leaking batteries. And you see that I've used soldering paste to make that connection again. But I think I'm going to have to pull this, where is it? Oh, this black cover off right here to get access to under the board underneath. And I need to do a continuity check from here to a point possibly over here to see if this point here is making connection or not. So I will remove that now. So got the battery problem figured out, put it back together, and I have no volume through the speaker. This is the speaker, and this is where the speaker makes contact, is through that spring and that spring. And you can see right here, there's a circle impression right here where that spring's been hitting the plastic. So I'm gonna address that and we'll see what it does after that.